Sip glass in the parking lot, smoking with your friends. Girl, I know we don't.
Hello good people, welcome to the Kinotics Haven. If you're new here, karibu sana. We appreciate you, and on this episode we're going to be showing you how to make beef kebabs. So over here we have our ingredients, which are minced beef, we have breadcrumbs, we have all-purpose flour, we have some eggs, we have these spices that I bought from Carrefour. I can't remember the name, but it was an Indian name for specifically for kebabs. And then we have our onions, our spring onions, we have our dania, and let's get started. So the first step is putting 2 to 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs into the minced meat, and then you're going to put the kebab spices. On this one, they come in 3 sachets. Now the first one has the spice itself, and then the second one has medium hot, which is chili, and the third one is, I think, hot. Yeah, we used the medium hot because hatukuwa tunataka vitu kali sana. So and then we give it a really good mix and we were done. So the next step was putting our onions and our spring onions on a pan, and we sauteed them until translucent, and then we put our crushed garlic until flavorful. Then the next step was putting the onions in the minced meat and adding this spice, which is called cajun. Oh, and also we put our coriander in there, and we gave it a really good mix, as you can see. Then we put this cajun spice blend, which is an obsession of mine. I really love this spice, yani pacha tu. So I gave it a really good mix, and now the next step was making the shapes that we wanted. We wanted these long, I don't know what are they called, cylindrical shapes. And yeah, now there's a hack that I didn't tell you. As you can see, I'm using gloves, but even if you're using your hands, you can still do it. While making these cylindrical shapes, you put your hand in the water and then you continue like making the shape. That way they won't stick. And somehow I think it's the breadcrumbs, it helps to like hold together the kebab. We're going to call them kebabs because you already have the shape. But now let me tell you how we make the perfect kebab. The first step, you put the already cylindrical shapes into the all-purpose flour, and then into the eggs, and then you deep fry them. That is the first one. The second one, you put your already slightly cooked kebab into the egg again, and then you deep fry. So we are going to put the kebabs in the eggs 3 times and deep frying each time. You get it? Now for the first time and the second time, you don't wait until the eggs are browned sana, like just slightly. You don't wait until they turn brown. For the second time, you just wait until they turn the color a little bit, like light brown, and then back into the eggs, and then you deep fry. Now that time is when you wait until they are well coated, and then they are well deep fried, and they turn the color to that golden brown, the one that you like. As you can see here, mine are ready. Let me show you. As you can see, they are brown. They are looking very fluffy, and trust you me, they were fluffy and they were so yummy, so sweet. Hey, remember, you can tweak your spices to your preference. I used the kebab spice from the supermarket, but you can use whichever spices you have in your kitchen. And guys, I'm happy to say that is it, and we made awesome kebabs. I hope you're going to try this at home, and kindly tell me, like, kuja tu in the comment section and tell me how yours turned out. I know you love them. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.
You say